In this session, we are going to learn about paragraph style. A paragraph in a document can have several sentences, a single sentence, a single word, or no words at all. Every paragraph in a LibreOffice Writer document has a paragraph style. The paragraph style settings have a pop-down window. One can change the paragraph style by clicking on the pop-down window and selecting the choices. First, we will learn about indenting paragraphs. The entire paragraph can be indented in one step. Place the text cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Select and click on the Increase Indent tool. Each time when you click on the Increase Indent tool, the current paragraph's indent will increase. There is also a Decrease Indent tool that removes that indent. Now increase the indent of the third paragraph. Second, we will study aligning paragraphs. The paragraph can be aligned as left, right, center, and justify. To align the paragraph, place the text cursor in the paragraph. Select Appropriate Tool from the Format toolbar. The selected words should now be centered in your document. Move the mouse pointer over the 4 different alignment tools and read the tooltips. Align left, shortcut is Ctrl+L. Center horizontally, Ctrl+E. Aligned right, Ctrl+R. Justified, Ctrl+J. The justified option makes both the left and right side of the paragraph line up with the margins. Now we will study font color, highlighting, and background color. To change the font color, select the small down pointing arrow on the right edge of the font color tool and select the color from the color box. To change the highlight color, select the small down pointing arrow on the right edge of the highlighting tool and change the color from the color box. To explore more paragraph formatting features, select a paragraph, click on the required tools on Formatting toolbar or open Format, then Paragraph, select the appropriate tools and click OK. Fourth thing that we will study is using the bullets and numbering. You can assign the bullets or numbering to the list items in the document by using the options on the bullets and numbering toolbar. You can also create a nested list by using the buttons on the bullets and numbering toolbar. A nested list has a sublist under it. For more options, go to Format, Paragraph, and Outline and Numbering. Now we will study assigning color, border and background. To assign background color to the paragraph, first select the paragraph. Then go to Select, Format, Paragraph, Area and then Color. Then select the color. To assign border to the paragraph, select the paragraph. Then select Format, Paragraph, Borders. Then select Line, Style, Width, Color. After selecting, click OK. In next video, we will learn about page formatting. Till then, practice all the operations learned in the video. Thank you.